Question 28, Part D. While Sandra is on holidays, she buys a digital camera for $800. Using the straight line method of depreciation, the salvage value, capital S, of the camera will be 0 in 4 years' time, as shown on the graph below. Using the declining balance method of depreciation, at a rate of capital R% per annum, the salvage value is represented by the dotted curve on the graph below. Both methods give the same salvage value after 2 years. Find the value of capital R. Using the straight line method, the camera depreciates by the same amount each year. Starting with $800, which represents the original purchase price or the original value of the camera, and worth 0 after 4 years, the depreciation each year is given by 800 divided by 4, which equals $200 per year. After 2 years, the camera's value is given by $800 minus 2 years worth of depreciation, that is 800 minus 2 times 200, and that equals $400. Using the declining balance method, we can substitute the values into the declining balance formula. That is, the salvage value, or the current value of the camera after 2 years, is equal to the original value of the camera multiplied by 1 minus R in brackets to the power of 2, where 2 represents 2 years worth of depreciation and R is the annual rate of depreciation as a percentage or a decimal. Dividing both sides of this equation by 800, so 400 over 800, we get half is equal to 1 minus R in brackets to the power of 2. Then taking the square root of both sides of this equation to cancel this squared, or to undo this square operation, we get 1 minus R is equal to the square root of half, and evaluating the square root of half, we get 1 minus R is equal to 0.7071067812. Now we need to make R the subject, so we can rearrange this equation. So we get R is equal to 1 minus 0.7071067812, which gives a value of R equals 0.2928932.188. Multiplying that by 100 and rounding to the nearest whole percentage, we get R is approximately equal to 29%.